are you everybody? I am very fine. Today we will discuss one more questions from the exercise 3.1. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೇನಿಂದ ಆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. ಈಗ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ whenever the equation has the solution, whether unique solution or infinite solution, in that case it is called consistent. Clear? Inconsistent ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ when the given pair of linear equations do not have solution. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? when the two lines are parallel. When two lines are parallel, what will be the ratio? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So ಇವಾಗ ಈ equation observe ಮಾಡಿ 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay? So convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So converting into standard form. So ಏನಾಯಿತು? 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x, second equation, 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay? ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ write a1 all the way, a1 and here b1, c1. What is a1? a1 is plus 3. So here it is plus 3. Next to b1 is plus 2 and c1 is what here? Okay, minus 5. Next to second equation in the a2, b2, c2. a2 is 2, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 7. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಇದು equation number 1 and 2. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. a1 is 3 correct, b1 is plus 2, c1 is minus 5. a2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡನೇ equation ನೋಡಿ, a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 7. Okay, next calculate the ratio. a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 divided by c2. a1 by a2 is how much? 3 by 2 and it is 2 divided by minus 3 and then minus 2 by 3 and this is minus 5 by minus 7. Minus 5 by minus 7 ಅಂದರೆ plus 5 by 7. Notice ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2. Okay na? So here since a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2, then this equation has unique solution. So adrinda ಏನಾಯಿತು? Since this equation has the solution, the pair of linear equation, whatever that is the question it is given, the pair of linear equations, the solution are consistent. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. equation here a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2, so it is what? Consistent. Okay, ಇದೇ ತರ next problem, second one, 9x plus 3y ಅಲ್ಲ, second one 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Next 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ the given equation is not in the standard form. Convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Again convert into standard form. We get 2x minus 3y minus 8 is 0. Next 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Let us continue here. Yes, wait just a minute. Next continuation. What is a1? A1 is equal to 2, B1 is minus 3, C1 is minus 8. A2 is 4, B2 is minus 6 and C2 is minus 9. Okay. Now you compare all the ratios. A1 by A2, same procedure. Okay. What is A1 by A2? That is 2 by 4 gives 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is minus 3 divided by minus 6. Minus by minus is plus. So it is 3 ones are 3 twos are. It is 1 by 2. Already A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Last one, minus 8 divided by minus 9. That is equal to how much? 8 divided by 9. So ಏನು notice ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ? A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 is equal to same. ಎರಡು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ two lines are parallel. So it means here lines are parallel. Alright? It do not has any solution. It is no solution. No solution. So if the pair of linear equations do not have solution means it is inconsistent. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಇವಾಗ. So final answer is yes, it is inconsistent. ಇದೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು inconsistent. Okay. So ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? And comparing A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, we checked that whether the given linear equations has unique solution or what, more solution or what, no solution. Alva? So today class we discussed about about the solution. I mean it is whether it is a consistent or inconsistent based on the value of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 other by calculating the ratios. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Do practice every day and then take care. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yes, thank you.